For the best price, click the link in the description. But have you struggled with cooking healthy meals quickly? Therefore, I'm here to tell you about a game-changing product that will make your kitchen tasks easier, the Instant Pot Lux Steamer. What's so special about this steamer, you ask? Well, let me tell you, it's not just a steamer. This baby is a multifunctional device that can handle up to 10 cups of food, making it perfect for large families or meal prep enthusiasts. But here's what surprised me. The Lux Steamer has a built-in microprocessor that ensures precise temperature control, which means your food will be cooked evenly and consistently every time. But don't just take my word for it. Therefore, let's dive deeper into this amazing product and explore its features. The Instant Pot Lux Steamer comes with 5 pre-programmed settings for steaming: vegetable, fish, meat, poultry, and a manual setting. This versatility allows you to cook a variety of dishes without having to adjust the temperature or cooking time. So what makes this product stand out from the rest? Therefore, let's take a closer look at its benefits. Here are 3 reasons why you need to try the Instant Pot Lux Steamer. 1. Easy meal prep asterisk. With the Lux Steamer's large capacity and easy-to-use interface, meal prep has never been simpler. Whether you're cooking for 1 or 10, this product will help you prepare healthy meals in no time. 2. Energy efficiency. This steamer uses up to 70% less energy than traditional steamers, making it an eco-friendly option for home cooks. Therefore, not only will you save money on your electricity bill, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. 3. Precise temperature control. The built-in microprocessor ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're steaming vegetables or cooking delicate fish, this product will help you achieve restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your own home. But wait, there's more. Therefore, let me share some additional features that make the Instant Pot Lux Steamer a must-have for any kitchen. 5. Pre-programmed settings for steaming. Manual setting for custom cooking times and temperatures. Large capacity up to 10 cups. Energy-efficient design uses up to 70% less energy than traditional steamers. Built-in microprocessor for precise temperature control. Easy-to-use interface with intuitive controls. Now that we've explored the benefits of this amazing product, therefore let's talk about the price. For the best value, click the link in the description and get your Instant Pot Lux Steamer today. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Lux Steamer is a game-changing kitchen appliance that will make cooking healthy meals easier than ever before. With its large capacity, energy efficiency, and precise temperature control, this product is perfect for meal prep enthusiasts, home cooks, and professional chefs alike. Therefore, don't wait any longer to elevate your cooking experience. Order the Instant Pot Lux Steamer today and start enjoying delicious, homemade meals in no time. For the best price, click the link in the description.